그 남자는 미쳤어. 그 남자는 미쳤어. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is 미쳤어. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about Michida. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 363. Michida. Michida. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mi, second syllable is chi, and third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. Michida. Michida. The Korean word michida means to go crazy. Again, michida means to go crazy. How do we write michida in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable mi, we need to draw first a mium character followed by an e character. For the second syllable chi, we need to draw first a chiut character followed by an e character. And for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikit character followed by an a character. And then, we just need to combine the Hangul for each of these three syllables to form the Hangul of the word michida. So to know more about the word michida, let's look at this example. It says, that man is crazy. Again, that man is crazy. The Korean translation of this is 그 남자는 미쳤어. Again, 그 남자는 미쳤어. Let's look into the details of this Korean translation. So, 그 남자는 means that man. So, 그 means that and 남자 means man. And we added 는 to indicate that this is the subject of the sentence. The next part of the Korean translation is 미쳤어, which means crazy. And it actually came from our word for today, which is michida. So, michida is the dictionary form and 미쳤어 is the past tense form. So, meaning, when we say 그 남자는 미쳤어, it means that man is crazy or that man has gone crazy. So, this is what I was saying a while ago. 미치다 means to be crazy and 미쳤어 is the past tense of 미치다, which means 미쳤어 is used to say someone is already crazy. So if you notice, michida is transformed into mi쳤어 by changing the ending part. So instead of writing ida at the ending, it's now 였어. So michida and mi쳤어 are related. So looking back to this, which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 그 남자는 미쳤어 is that man is crazy. And with that, you've just learned michida. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 353 to 362. But don't forget our word for today, word number 363, michida, which means to go crazy. The first word for our review is word number 362. It's 강아지, which means puppy. Next word is 무지개, which means rainbow. Next word is 기분, which means feeling or mood. Next word is 가장, which means most. Next word is someone, which means wish. Next word is 말해, which means say it or tell me. Next word is 밤, which means night. Next word is 화장지, which means tissue paper. Next word is amudo, which means no one or nobody. And the last word for our review is word number 353, 언제나, which means every time or always. Congrats! You just learned another Korean word today. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.